right, good morning, good morning, good morning. You see the levels. So during after hours, we did bust down under prior day low, but you can see the recapture. Use it as support, was resistance, recapture, support now. And we just uptrend all through the night. And then as soon as we get to the mid level, you see what happened. Tried to make a push out of it, and it's rejected this morning. So we know that this mid level is a nice resistance zone for us, as we expected it to be. So now we just waiting for the market to set up. We know if we're gonna try to get the retest again, or if that's the only retest it's gonna give of the zone, and the market is gonna continue its downtrend as it did yesterday, or pushes back up. This is what we'll be looking for. Hopefully we can get the retest, and then we can hop in some puts and catch this trade back down for a push to support prior day low. That's what we. I hope we can get that trade. If we can get some more continuation to the downside like yesterday, then that'd be a nice home run trade. But will we get it? We don't know. But that's what we'll be looking for. So we'll like the retest of this area, because you see sellers are present, right? So if we can get back up to the zone, then this would be considered a cheap trade for me if sellers can step back in, because I like it, take it, because I know if I get in short here and then this level break, then I know I'm instantly wrong on the trade and the market want to continue to grind higher. But we're in a downtrend overall, as we can see on the daily. We're in a downtrend, but we super extended on this downtrend, so a bounce is more than likely going to happen. Plus we got CPI data tomorrow and all that good stuff. So I mean, yes, we're overextended, but the market got a mind of its own. We never know which way it's gonna go, which direction it wants to head. But ultimately, we just trading our levels again, like I always say. So we'll be watching for this area to hold as resistance still, and see if we can get some push down on those contracts. We'll probably be looking to play the 562, 563 puts more than likely, or the 564 puts more than likely if we can get up here, or wait for it to push back down here to this level and see if it can find some support and bounce around. Like I say, the market may trade in a tight, well, it's not a tight range, it's like a almost $8 range. If it could trade up in this range all day until tomorrow before it make its next move. But yeah, that's the trades we'll be looking for today. So we'll be looking for the rejection off the mid level for puts. See if we can continue to get that continuation from yesterday's market. As you can see, huge sell off. Maybe sellers come back in and try to push the market lower. Or if we push back down, find support, catch the bounce off support. But yeah, the levels held up well during the after hours. So that means that, now we've got to plan the trade, watch what trades we want to take, and execute the trade with no emotion, just proper risk management and proper execution. As simple as that. Put your risk on, and if it goes opposite against you, take your risk off the table. It's just that simple. I keep it so simple, man, because the market is already a complex place. There's so much going on, so you want to dumb it down as simple as possible and look for the easiest thing, the most easiest to recognize, So up here, I'm saying this is why, because we see this big move happen off of this level, so we know that there's sell orders up here. Obviously, will they still be there? Who knows? Because you see the consolidation. It tried to break a couple times, tested a couple times. So we know that there's sellers present here during pre-market. Will they still be there when market open? I'm pretty sure, because I mean, everybody got the same data. We're collecting the same data. Hopefully there's sellers still present, and we'll like to take that trade, because we know if we get in short here for puts and the market keep growing, then we know that we're wrong and we can get out easily. So like, I don't want to take my trade at random spots. That's why I don't like to trade in this type of market. Now, if we can push up and test here, people will punch in short, you know, on the pullbacks and stuff, because it's trending down right now. It's starting to trend down, breaking structures and stuff, breaking swings. So, I mean, it's all about what trade you want to take at the end of the day. And me, I like to get the best bang for my buck. So I'll be waiting for 62, 63s or 55, 56, 555s, 556 to take longs if it can hold that support. Yep. All right, guys. Good luck. I'll let you guys know how my day went tonight when I do my trading recap.